Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my mini mystery box of awesome. This subscription is super cheap and it's a complete mystery, so you have no idea what's in it every month. I'm just gonna dump everything out. So for starters, you always get a little word search and it tells you on here what month it's for. So this is for June. Little brain teasers and different activities on there. Advertisement for Pet Treater. And the first item, oh how fun, Harry Potter socks. I don't know if you guys saw, but they just came out with a Harry Potter game for your phone. And I think it's made by the same people that made Pokemon Go. So I downloaded it to let Jackson look at it, but haven't played it too much, but love Harry Potter, so those are really cute. Then we have Melon Pro. 3-in-1 slice, remove, and create melon balls. That's awesome. So it has like a flexible metal wire there. Love the color too. I could definitely use that. That's exciting. They always send really practical stuff too. This is a cooler bag. Let me see here. It looks like it, yeah, so it zips completely flat. Maybe. So that's really nice. So the bottom and the top completely zips open. And I'm not sure if that's just for storage purposes, but very cool. It's got some paper in here. It's got a clear pouch that Velcros shut on both sides. That's actually really nice. Chill by Flexifreeze. I feel like you could always use one of these, especially in the summertime. So very cool. Again, very useful stuff. Got a couple products here. Sometimes we get 3 items, sometimes we get a couple more, just kind of varies. But I will leave a link below in case you want to sign up for a subscription. I also have a playlist in case you want to see past boxes and get a kind of an idea of what kind of stuff you could get. So thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.